Good morning all and welcome again. This morning another Volkswagen Golf. This is a Tornado Red 1868 plate Golf R-Line. This particular one is a 1.5 manual petrol and it's got a few bells and whistles on it that do make it stand out from the crowd. So we'll start with those 18-inch two-tone alloy wheels. You can see it's got the black detailing around which contrasts the red very nicely, and the R-Line badge on the front there. Car's in excellent condition. Privacy glass from the B pillar backwards. Electrically folding, electrically adjustable and heated wing mirrors. It's sort of a half cloth, half alcantara, black grey finish to the upholstery with the embossed R stitching in the seats there. And we've covered 29,284 miles. That new touchscreen sat-nav system there, Apple and Android CarPlay, choice of drive modes, and as we said, this is a 6-speed manual. Has also got the adaptive cruise control, so it comes in very handy if you're doing a few longer journeys on the motorway there. And what a fine example it really is. So if you'd like any further information, please give the sales team a call. If you'd like to arrange an appointment, give them a call. You know, we're in all weekend, Saturday and Sundays. So we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you again for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe.